What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a full high definition projector by Groview. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can take a look at it and go over the specs. All right, once you open this up, the first thing you're going to see is going to be some accessories. So you're going to get your remote. You're going to have audio video adapter jack. So if you don't have HDMI, you can still be able to use the projector. You get a HDMI cable, your power cord, and your user manual. And once you dig deeper, here's the projector. All right, so a little bit about this projector. This is going to be the model C26. This is going to be a full HD projector, meaning that it's going to give you that 1080p resolution, and it's also going to be compatible with 4K. So if you have a 4K source, you can plug it into this and you can get that resolution. Now, once you flip it to the back, you can see all of your connections. You're going to have an Ethernet jack for direct internet, even though this is equipped with your latest Wi-Fi 6 capability. So that way you can connect wireless, and also you'll be able to connect other devices, say for instance, like your phone, to mirror onto the projector. You also have your 3.5 millimeter jack. So for audio and for this audio video adapter, you have your HD input, which is going to be your HDMI input. And then you have two USB connections. It's going to be your USB A's. If you have multimedia on a drive, you'll be able to view it from your drive. And this is going to be nice and portable enough so you can put this just about wherever you want it. Now, up under it, it's going to have little riser feet if you want to put this on a table. It's also going to have a tripod thread in here. So if you want to put this on a tripod, you can do that, whether you're going to be sitting on the tripod, or you can mount this on the ceiling upside down and mount it this way as well. Now, some cool features about this projector. Of course, it's going to be full HD. It's going to give you a 15,001 in your contrast. So that makes sure that your blacks are nice and black, whites are nice and white. You're going to get rich color out of it. So this is going to give you a nice picture from your video source. Once again, it's compatible with Wi-Fi 6. Also, it has the latest Bluetooth technology, so you'll be able to pair your speakers with it. If you have a Bluetooth sound bar, you'll be able to pair that. Or if you want to listen to some Bluetooth headphones, you can do that as well. So however you want to listen to the audio, you'll be able to do that with no problem. Now, once you have this set up, one cool feature about this is that it'll auto adjust for you. So it's smart enough to know if there's an obstacle. So say for instance, if something is dangling in front of the screen, it'll try to avoid that. Also, if you put it at an angle such as like this, it has auto-keystone. So it's going to try to get the image as straight as possible, as flat as possible on the surface that you're projecting onto. It also has autofocus. So also going to detect that distance to make sure that the image is nice and sharp. When getting your screen set up, you have a max of 300 inches with this small projector. So if you're looking for a nice small portable projector that you can use that gives you great picture, this may be the solution for you. And for the size, this puts out a great picture on a large scale. So guys, this is going to be the full HD projector by Groview. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.